After his address at the religious convention at Venice, Swami Muktanand will be addressing the gathering here at Lal Bagh, after which he will be going live on television for the first time to talk about his philosophy of absolute nihilism. Massive preparations are being finalized for his Mukti Abhiyan as the world sits and awaits to know what 21st December has in store for it.
मैंने क्या कहा? बस मैंने जैसे कहा था वैसा ही होना चाहिए और टाइम पे होना चाहिए। टाइम पे नहीं होगा तो सारा प्लान फेल हो जाएगा। मुझे 20 की रात तक सब कुछ तैयार चाहिए, सब कुछ तैयार होना चाहिए। जैसे ही 21 के 12 बजेंगे हम अपना काम करेंगे।
क्या है?
सर पेपर
पेपर?
सर न्यूज़पेपर।
हाँ। ए रुक, ये पैसे ले जाते हैं।
साहब आज तो 20 तारीख हुई ना, महीना कहाँ खत्म हुआ है?
सब पागल भरे हैं दुनिया में और फिर मेरे को पागल बोलते हैं। आज आखिरी दिन है, कल खत्म हो जाएगा सब। कोई पेपर नहीं खरीदेगा तेरा, क्या करेगा फिर? मेरे को मेरे सर उधारी नहीं रखनी, ये ले जा। पागल है साला।
अरे क्या छोटू, आज बहुत लेट कर दिया।
हाँ साहब, वो थोड़ा लेट हो गया। साहब ये 21 तारीख को क्या होने वाला है?
भाई सब तैयार हो गया क्या? अभी तक पार्सल नहीं आया, पर हो तो जाएगा ना। पता है ना कल 21 है। हाँ कल ही करना है। सब प्लान से है। बढ़िया, बहुत मजा आएगा आज रात।
अरे जल्दी करो यार। स्वामी जी, वी गो लाइव इन अ मिनट। कैमरा रोलिंग, ऑल सेट, रेडी टू गो। वी गो लाइव इन 3, 2 and action.
Let us not waste time in any introductions. Everyone knows who this man sitting in front of me is. He is Swami Muktanand ji, just 27 years of age but with one of the largest following. So Swamiji, what is it going to be then?
You ask me what it is going to be. You people have been talking all about it.
So, is it going to happen?
It is a matter of belief. Some people say it will happen. Some people say it is all rubbish. But the truth is, whether you accept it or ignore it, the time has come. And what is going to happen will happen.
What makes you say that?
Everything that has a start has an end. We all know this, but we are scared to acknowledge it. You look at all the different faiths in the world and you can mark that they have the same undertone. The start of the society, the evolution, the search for sustainability, and then the failure to attain it. Then in the end, the slow disintegration, the crumbling in the inside, and then the annihilation of it. History has been a proof of it.
But what you preach is ultimate nihilism.
Nihilism is the word you people gave to it. I do not like to link it to any philosophy. What I say is simple. Embrace the end. The time to free ourselves has come. A part of the journey has to end for the other part of the journey to begin. Liberation from out physical body is the only step to embark on spiritual voyage.
Swamiji, you are just 27. How do you deal with the too young to preach accusation made on you by others?
I'm just 27. Can there be any other age? It is the age of immortality. And what has age got to do with it? I've been enlightened and I'm on a special mission to make people realize that they need to free themselves.
And Mukti Abhiyan is an answer to it?
Mukti Abhiyan is our final day campaign where people will be getting the ultimate liberation.
You mean by killing themselves?
I would not use those words.
People are claiming it to be a campaign for mass suicides. What do you want to say about that?
The earth is a prison in which we are all trapped as human bodies. The only escape is death. Death shall not be the end, but it will be the beginning.
How do you think that people will believe in what you say?
I don't do magic or preach any gospels. All I do is introspect. Look into my eyes and stop thinking anything else. Forget that this interview is going on and answer the question which I am going to ask you very carefully. Tell me, what part of life is yours? You wake up when the alarm takes and sleep when the sleeping pills let you to sleep. You eat what your doctors tell you to eat, you speak what your boss tells you to speak, and you wear what your office tells you to wear. What part of life do you have any control on? None. Then tell me, why do you live? Why do you breathe? Why are you still existing? Don't you doubt your own existence?
मुझे पता है कल 21 है, सारी तैयारियां हो चुकी हैं। देखो, मुझे जो पार्सल की डिलीवरी लेनी थी मैंने वो ले ली है।
हाँ, मुझे सब मालूम है। हाँ, मेरी अभी उनसे बात हुई, वो निकल गए हैं घर से। तुम बहुत टेंशन ले रहे हो, सब कुछ बराबर हो जाएगा। हाँ हाँ, मुझे मालूम है कि प्लान तुम्हारा है, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। लगता है कि मेरा पीछा कर रहा है। काफ़ी टाइम से आदमी मेरे पीछे चल रहा है। हाँ हाँ, मैं जानती हूँ, आप चिंता मत करो।
Surprise!
because understanding the reason is beyond the scope of our mediocre intellect, we term it as coincidence. Look around you. What do you see? Poverty, inflation, corruption, unemployment, and then terrorism? What are all this? They are clear signs of chaos.